brisk day in Ontario here. I just wanted to show you some of the smart home things that we put in this home, just to give you an idea of what Uplink does, get a smart home, and show you how we're able to integrate all these different technology pieces together so that you can have this single app user experience in one ecosystem for your smart home. So this is a Alexa custom home. Right here, we've got some garage doors that are MyQ, so they're able to be controlled from an app, and you can also control them like a regular garage door just from the touch pads that you'll have on the wall, or a little control clicker that you could put in your car. Just another thing you can add to your smart home. You can also voice control them with Alexa as well. Right here behind me, as we kind of come in the mudroom entryway, we've got a smart lock here that's able to be opened with a key, or you can do a keypad. You can also schedule people to come for certain days at certain times with their own individual code in case you don't want to give your master code away. And then we also did security cameras outside, 7 cameras in total, and then they also have a ring that also joins up with the alarm system. So you can see here there's a ring keypad. So the alarm keypad there, that lets you arm and disarm the home when you come in. You can also do it with your phone and your voice as well. We walk into the kitchen here. We've got ceiling speakers. One of the cool key features of the kitchen here is the Echo Show 15. What that Echo Show really lets me do is actually control the home. So I can do things like Echo, turn on the kitchen lights, and then if you see behind me, those pot lights have now turned on. I can also just, if you look here on the screen, it has a button here that I can just touch, and those lights have now turned off. You know, the main things that we've put in the kitchen here are just this Echo device that allows you, it's kind of like a hub that allows you to control the home. There's my thermostat, so I can bring that up on the screen. I can raise or lower the temperature here. I can look at my cameras. There's my front door ring camera, so if somebody ring the doorbell, I'll actually get a notification on here, and I actually have a little microphone button here I can push and actually talk to that person. All of these blinds are actually joined into the system as well, and they can be controlled individually or controlled as a group. Echo, watch TV. And then you can see the blinds are all going to lower, the lights turned off, and the TV actually turns on for me. So really cool like little moment you can have there where the home is like optimized, it's really convenient for you. You can just come into the space, dim the lighting, dim the blinds, and your TV turns on, and it's ready for you to just, pick whatever channel you want to watch. We've got a smart thermostat here, and this is dual zone as well. So we've got one, this controls the main floor and the second floor, and then there's actually one for the basement as well. Really easy to set up. It's the easiest thermostat I've ever used. It'll actually learn your behavior, so as you adjust temperature throughout the day, it'll kind of adjust to you. It'll also do things like you can do geofencing and whatnot. It's really customizable, so you can kind of pick however it works for you. So then let's check out the dining room. In the dining room, I've got ceiling speakers here, and I also have some smart lighting as well. Alexa, dining room lights on.
Okay.
Then these lights turn on behind me. Then if you come over into the piano room, I've also got 2 speakers in here, and all 4 of these speakers are actually joined together as a zone. So this is called dining room. And then what's really great about the Sono system is like the great room that I showed you, the dining room and the kitchen, you can play the same song, all of them together at the same time, or you can just listen to one zone at one time. You got lots of people over and you want to like really fill the house with sound, play all the zones together, it sounds really great. I'm just going to show you something upstairs. So just at the top of the stairs here, we've got this Eero access point, and we have a smoke alarm listener. The smoke alarm listener actually joins in with the alarm system, so that if any of the fire alarms are triggered in the home, the call center will notify you, and if you aren't home and you don't know what's going on, the fire service will be dispatched to your home. So you've got multiples of these Eero access points throughout the home, so there's great Wi-Fi inside the property and outside the property. And they're all wired, so they're going to give you the fastest possible Wi-Fi speed that you can have. And I'll just show you something else quick here. We've got a Pro video doorbell, so really great doorbell. When I click this button here, it's going to activate a chime inside like a normal doorbell, but then it's also going to notify you on that Echo Show in the kitchen, and you'll actually be able to see who's here and talk to them and hear them in real time. It's a really great way to see who's at your door from anywhere. You can also respond to them on your cell phone. So if you're not home, you can tell the person to go away, or if you've got a smart lock, you can let them in. We just go down to the basement. We have a rack unit down there. That's really the brains of the whole system. You know, in a lot of homes that get smart home equipment, one of the things that really bothers me is like ugly cabling, like hanging everywhere, and messy wires, and like the things that you don't want to see. So what we try to do here is hide all this stuff in the basement. So if you follow me in here, and you see this ominous box in the corner of the room, well, that's actually the rack unit, and that's where all of the equipment goes. So the Ring alarm system is here, their DVR is here, they've got their Bell receiver down here, all the Sono amps, all the cabling that's been run to different areas of the home all actually come down and are integrated into the system down here. This is the brains of the operation. This is how the smart home works with all this stuff down here. I'm really happy with how the guys did this, super impressive. What we're doing here at Uplink is something that's super unique, and our smart homes are really well designed. They work super great, and they're not too complicated to use, which is also really important. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.